Without coating systems from Sprimag, many things in daily life would look really quite old. Sprimag puts color into life. And Sprimag provides protection for surfaces. In a typical day, we encounter many products that need to be coated on the inside or painted on the outside. Because without the right coating, the aluminum packaging would ruin the contents. Aerosol cans, for example. Imagine life without the cell phone. It's now almost unthinkable. But without Sprimag, your classy new mobile would be easily scratched. What would a cool can of beer be like without the internal coating from Sprimag? You have to look good, so it's great when the packaging contains what it promises on the outside. Sprimag ensures an attractive surface on cosmetics products. The car, our favorite means of travel. The controls shine and gleam. And Sprimag also coated parts outside of the car. Sprimag ensures creative solutions for any kind of coating, but they're much more sophisticated than spraying graffiti, for example. How do Sprimag coating systems apply the paint onto the parts? Let's have a look at the process technology. At the start, there's usually the pre-treatment. Then the parts are coated with the utmost precision, and then dried. UV drying is one of the methods used. Sprimag systems paint parts with a wide variety of different shapes, and with the most varied of painting media, whether with corrosion protection or a coating on the inside. Sprimag's spray gun is particularly precise. Little overspray, no masking, reducing the consumption of paint and thereby protecting the environment. Sprimag provides quality and expertise when it comes to coating, so Sprimag is in demand all around the world. Whether in the USA or Brazil, Sprimag has a subsidiary in both these countries. The headquarters are at Kirchheim unter Teck in Germany, not far from Stuttgart. Stuttgart is also home to Porsche and Mercedes-Benz, and is the capital of the state of Baden-Württemberg, with the Black Forest on its doorstep. Thanks to Sprimag's global service, customers have no reason to change. But if they do need to change a part once in a while, it's really easy to do. Spare parts can be ordered conveniently online. One advantage is in-house production, which enables us to be flexible and quick in sending out spare parts. Every part is carefully produced and given a number, so you can still reorder the part years later. Sprimag has mastered the system construction and the coating process. In the Applications Center, the most varied of methods can be tested, using the most modern equipment. This is where we find the ideal method for you. Thanks to our application technology, we have all the process expertise here in-house. This means that Sprimag is your contact for anything to do with coating technology. Try us out. Give us your parts.